Still believe you need to rip and replace your network infrastructure to modernize IP systems? That's the trap. Why do 2 and 3 fail? Because traditional network switches haven't evolved with the IP and AI-enabled endpoints being deployed, forcing IT teams to spend more on infrastructure than on innovation. Traditional switch manufacturers lock you into high infrastructure costs, disruptive implementations, and avoidable risks. As a result, projects stall. Budgets explode. IT teams burn out. And worse, you've been misled. Congratulations! You're going to be introduced to disruptive PoE network innovations that can assure you are the 1 in 3 that have a successful digital transformation outcome. The game-changing network solutions eliminate the cable type and distance limitations of traditional PoE switches. No need to rip and replace a proven reliable asset or be limited in new environments. Cut costs by up to 80%. Accelerate deployments. Strengthen security. Modernize without disruption. Proven across all sectors, including healthcare, hospitality, education, and government. With over $300 million in infrastructure cost savings, this is your chance to replicate the success. Leverage these innovations to create better and more secure digital transformation outcomes. Stop doing things the old way. Avoid the trap. Ready to modernize without compromise? Let's get started.